Hello everyone, my name is Fajar and I am from UPSI Solo. Today I want to share my opinion about smoking on campus. I think it's still a serious problem among students. Campus should be a clean and healthy place to study, but many students still smoke even though there are rules that forbid it. Cigarette smoke makes others uncomfortable and harms their health. Some say smoking is a personal right, but I believe that's right. Shouldn't disturb other people. Smoking also makes the campus dirty with cigarette butts and bad smells. It shows a lack of respect for the environment. In my opinion, smoking on campus should be strictly banned. The campus should make smoke-free zone and give more education about the dangers of smoking. Let's work together to keep our campus clean, healthy, and smoke-free. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I will present about question words. This topic will help us understand how to ask questions correctly in English. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Afi Maulana and I am from Boyolali. Question words. What is question words? Question words are words used to ask for specific information, not just yes or no answers. For example, include who, what, where, when, why, and how. Their function is to help us get clear information, such as who did something, what happened, where and where it happened, where it happened, and how it happened. With question words, our questions become more complete and easier to understand. There are so many types of question words like what, when, who, why, where, which, whose, and how. Who is used to ask about person. For example, who is your teacher? What? What is used to ask about a thing or idea? For example, what is your favorite food? Where? Where is used to ask about place? For example, where do you live? When? Used to ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? Why? Why used to ask about reason? For example, why are you sad? Which used to ask about a choice. For example, which color do you like? Whose? Whose is used to ask about ownership. For example, whose book is this? And how? How is used to ask about manner or condition. For example, how are you today? How plus adjective or adverb. We can combine how with other words like how old, how far, how much, or how many. For example, how old are you? How far is your home? How long do you study English? How often do you exercise? And how much and how many? How much is used for uncountable nouns. For example, money and water. How many is used for countable nouns. For example, books and students. Example, how much money do you have? How many books do you have? Sentence pattern. For example, what is question words? Do is auxiliary. You is subject and it verb. Let's try when blah 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 is your best friend. The answer is who. Number two, blah 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 blah. Do you go to school? The answer is how and when. Number three, blah 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 is that car. The answer is who. Summary. Question words are words we use to ask for specific information. Each question word has its own function. We use who to ask about a person, what if for things or ideas, where for place, when for time, why for reasons, which for choice, which for ownership, and how for the way or condition. That's all from me. Thank you.